Want to tell them how much you won in the yo-yo contest?
$1,000.
Boombaya. Yeah, 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 boombaya. Yeah, 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 boombaya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba.
Streamer thingies in the ground. How you pick this up? I am superior. Listen to me. I won.
Woo!
I can get it in the bag. Oh, are you recording?
Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Say hi.
Hi.
How was your guys' day? Morning.
Productive.
Productive.
Look at
Oh, wow.
this. Look at us being good Samaritans and stuff. I guess there's a specific thing you really want to study, but we don't have.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, video? Hi.
Yeah.
Video?
Oh, really?
Show me all the. Whoa!
Actually, you know what I got? I found
$1.
you got paid for this.
Whoa! Did you guys have fun?
yeah.
Dying. There's not a star in heaven that we can reach.
If we're trying,
So we break. No,
do you guys regret helping out?
No, this is awesome. I got $1. Space between us, two separate hearts. Oh, I got $1. I got $1.
I'm tired.
I got $1.
You're tired.
It was so red.
Hi, puppy.
Go, 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 go.
Doggy's coming.
Oh, you gotta go back home, sir. Sorry.
What if it's a girl?
Girl.
Hi.
You're a cool ass dog. Yeah, you like that.
That's a good doggy. Bye-bye. Wait, is this dog really looking both ways? What? So if you look on that orange table, that table, I was switching in that table from a different room into my room because I wanted a bigger space for my computer. So I'm just showing you guys the process. I'm just a huge mess, and at the same time I was decluttering a bunch of stuff in my room because it was just, I had too many things going on. The mess. It's all empty here. And then that. Hello everyone. So I'm sorry it's dark. It's not even that late and it's already dark, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a hair trim. Let's see, can you see that? So I'm gonna get my hair. So also my brother is going to get his hair done as well, so I'm just waiting for him, and we're gonna go ahead and head out and get that done. I'm a weirdo. Finally! He's here!
What?
You want to show everyone your hair before and after?
No.
Mom, what?
Mom was holding me up.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Oh, I got him this sweater. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. My little baby.
It's not as
Forever my baby brother.
until you die.
Bye! Bam! This is the new haircut. Got my bangs done. Let's see this handsome boy.
Nothing changed.
We just fixed your hair. See? Was that bad? It was horrible?
Yeah, sure.
Unfortunately, I didn't have enough money, but she let me off the hook.
Yeah, she was off by $2.
I didn't even give her a tip, and I was like, I can pay the rest in the card. She was like, no, it's okay. I think she was in a hurry to
Maybe.
just close,
yeah.
because we're the last people, and she literally just locked the doors. So, yep. Tomorrow we're going to Reno.
It was a great vlog.
Yep. You ready to go to Reno tomorrow? Have a lot of fun, play in the snow.
Let it snow.
Let it snow. Or no, let it go.
Yeah, well,
Let
yeah,
it go. When I told them how much you won in the yo-yo contest,
$10,000 minus 5 zeros.
$10,000 minus 5 zeros. Dude, there's only 4 zeros. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye. You've been caught!
Take your jacket off.
Yes, child, take your jacket off.